Welcome dear students, welcome back to the channel again. So today we are going to do 22nd जनवरी मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट पेपर और इसमें हम देखेंगे कि कौन से 10 सवाल थे जो हम ज़्यादा आसानी से और बहुत तेज़ी से सॉल्व कर सकते थे। जब पूरा पेपर और जब आंसर रिस्पॉन्स शीट आएंगे तभी पता चलेगा कि सवाल कैसे थे। अभी तो ये सारे मेमोरी बेस्ड हैं और अभी तक जहाँ तक मुझे लगा है कि ये वाला जो शिफ्ट था 22 जनवरी की सुबह का, ये अभी तक का सबसे आसान शिफ्ट मुझे लगा। ठीक है, मैथ्स के लिहाज से अगर मैं बात करूँ, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे जो बहुत जल्दी हो सकते थे, डुएबल थे, राइट। सो बिना किसी टाइम वेस्ट किए लेट्स स्टार्ट। पहला सवाल जो हम देखते हैं कि द नंबर ऑफ रियल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन x इंटू मॉड एक्स प्लस फोर प्लस थ्री मॉड एक्स प्लस टू प्लस टेन इक्वल्स टू ज़ीरो आर। तो इसके कितने सॉल्यूशन है भैया, ये बताना है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। एक नंबर लाइन बनाते हैं, विल मेक अ नंबर लाइन and in that number line obviously inside the mode x plus 4 and x plus 2 is there, so I will put it equal to 0. So this value will become minus 4 and minus 2, right? As you know that whatever inside the mode, let's put it equal to 0 to find the points, the main point, critical point or whatever turning points. So x plus 4 is equals to 0, so x equals to minus 4, x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. Now three cases are there, case 1, case 2 and case 3. So we have to apply the three cases. So first case, when the x value is less than minus 4, so both will open in negative, right? So it is x plus 4 minus 3 x plus 2 plus 10 equals to 0. Now if I take minus common, it will be x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 6 minus 10 equals to 0. So it is finally we are getting x square plus 7x minus 4 equals to 0. Now you can solve easily, right? Now it is just 10th class question. We have two values from here. So what are the x values? That is minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 16 by 2a. So x value is minus 7 plus minus root 65 by 2. So minus 7 root 65 is 8.1 something, I will assume. Minus 7 minus 8.1 by 2. So this value is nothing but a positive value. So this value will get rejected. Why sir, why it rejected? Because you assume that x value is less than minus 4, right? Now this value is how much? 15 point, means minus 7 point something will come, right? So this value I can accept. So this minus sign value will be there, right? So here how many solution? Number of solution in this case is 1. Now let's move to the case 2. What is the case 2? When the x lies between minus 4 to minus 2, right? So now if I put, this will open in positive and this will open in negative, right? So this will open in positive, so x plus 4 minus 3 x plus 2 plus 10. Now if you open this, x square, 4x minus 3x is x, minus 6 plus 10 is 4. Now as you can see, no solution is from here because the d value is negative, so no real solution is there. So this case is rejected, no solution from this case. Now case 3 I will take when x is more than minus 2, right? X is more than minus 2, so both will open in positive. So x plus 4 plus 3 times x plus 2 plus 10 equal to 0. So it is x square plus 7x plus 16. Again this value, no real solution. Why? Because d is negative. If you calculate, d value is negative. So no solution. So how many number of solution we are getting? 1. So this is the easiest problem of quadratic equation you can solve, the modulus quadratic equation. We have been teaching this in our classes, right? Now let's come to the second. We have a set M. It starts from 1 to 16, right? Set M have numbers 1 to 16. So if a relation R defined as set M such that Rxy 4y equals to 5x minus 3 and both xy belongs to M. So how many elements should be added to make the relation as symmetric? Okay, this is also a very model type problems if you solve the PYQs. So this is a basic problem that you can solve it many times, and moreover many students should note this question because right now they have been started asking in the board exam also, right? And soon you have board exams, so make sure to do this question. Now I can write from here, let's little bit tweak the equations. 4x minus y equals to 3. Now let's satisfy with the first solution. M value if I put 1, y value if I put 1, so 7 by 5 is not there. If I put 2, 11 not divided by 5. If I put 3, so 12 plus 3, 15. So x value is also 3, right? First solution I am getting. Now understand one thing I am telling. First one is positive and second one is negative. First term is positive, second term is negative, right? So their value will keep on increasing by their opposite coefficients. So 3 plus 4 is how much? 7, and 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. So next value will be 8. If you can check, just check it once. So 8 if you put, 32 plus 3, 35, 7. Now 7 plus 4 again 11, 8 plus 5 again 13. 11 plus 4, 15, 13 plus 5, 18. But 18 I will not take. Why, sir? Because the numbers is 16 only, right? You have to be little careful. So now three solutions are coming in roster form. If I say first one is 3 comma 3, second one is 7 comma 8, third one is 11 comma 13, right? 11 comma 13. Now this is the relation and we have to make it symmetric. So they both are same, no need. This element I need, right? So what I need, I'll take another pen. I need the reverse of it, 8 comma 7, and I need the reverse of it, 13 comma 11. So how many elements I have to add, dear students? 2 elements. So the answer is 2. So this, by adding 2 elements, the relation will become symmetric. I hope this question is also clear. Now let's move to the third one. Third one, again 3D question. Very good. After a long time we had seen a 3D question. Image of a point P with respect to the line. So line is there, point is there, and image is also given. Okay. So now let's suppose we have a line. Let's suppose this is the line we have, and we have a point here P, 1 comma 2 comma A. Now we have another, the image of P with respect to the line is here. Now let's suppose this is Q. The image is there. How much? 5 comma B comma C. Now this line is perpendicular to the given line, this line L, and also this is the midpoint of this. Foot of perpendicular is the midpoint of both P and Q. Now let's suppose this point is R, right? Now if I put this value as x minus 6, 3, y minus 7, 2, z minus 7 by minus 2 as lambda. So what is the x value I will get? 3 lambda plus 6. Y value 2 lambda plus 7. Z value minus 2 lambda plus 7. So we got the point 3 lambda plus 6, comma, next point we are getting 2 lambda plus 7 and then minus 2 lambda plus 7. Now I got the coordinate, but I can also calculate this by using midpoint formula, right? 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, 3, B plus 2 by 2, and A plus C by 2, right? Now let's compare because they both are equal, same coordinates, the same point. So 3 lambda plus 6, 3 lambda plus 6 equals to 3, right? 3 lambda plus 6 equals to 3, correct? So 3 lambda equals to minus 3. So lambda value is minus 1. Now lambda is minus 1. Now let's similarly calculate B plus 2 by 2, means lambda is minus 1, so I can calculate this point. If lambda is minus 1, this point is 3, 7 minus 2, 5, and this is 9, right? So I got the point as 9, 3, 5, 9. Now B plus 2 by 2 equals to 5. So B plus 2 is 10. So what is B value, dear students? That is 8. So B is 8. Now let's calculate the next one. A plus C is 18, I guess. Now there we got stuck, right? Because B we got easily, but A and C we did not find, and we have to find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. So what another concept that I can use here, that this line is perpendicular to this line, so their direction ratio product, sum product is equals to 0, A1 A2 plus B1 B2, right? So now let's find the direction ratio of PR of PR, right? It's very nice, very rhythmic. DR of PR. So this is 3 minus 1 2, wait a minute, 3 minus 1 2, and it is 5 minus 2 3, and it is next is 9 minus A. 9 minus a. And what is the dr of the line? 3, 2, minus 2. Dr of line is 3, 2, minus 2. Right? 3, 2, minus 2. Right. Now, what is the concept? That a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equals to 0 when two lines are perpendicular in 3D. Now, 3 2s are 6 plus 6 minus 18 plus 2a is equals to 0. So, 12 minus 18 is how much? Minus 6 plus 2a. A value is how much getting? 3. Right? If a is 3, what about c? We can say c is 15. Correct. Now we have to find a square plus b square plus c square, that is 15 square, 225 and 64 and 9. So 64 plus 9, 73. 225 plus 73 is 298. Right? 298, very good number it is. Why I said good? Just think about it. 298. Now let's come to the next one. Fourth, trigonometry ratios, basically angle. So value of cos square 48 plus sin square 12, sin square 24, sin square 6. Now before I start, just remember a formula: cos square a minus sin square b. And the formula is cos a minus b into cos a plus b. And in below, sin square a minus sin square b. That is sin a minus b into sin a plus b. Now let's solve. Let's come to the question now. A is 48, b is 12. So 48 minus 12 is 36 and this is 60. Similarly, sine, it is 18 and it is how much? Sine 30, right? Now cos 60 and sine 30 are same, so they get cancelled, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now cos 36, what is the value of cos 36? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. And sine 18, root 5 minus 1 by 4. 4, 4 cancel. Now the value is root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1. Now let's rationalize. So what I will get? Root 5 plus 1 whole square by a square minus b square, that is 4. Now 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Lowest form we have to write. So let's get cancel also. 3 plus root 5 by 2. 3 plus root 5 by 2. Now if I compare with alpha, I am getting 3, beta I am getting 1 and gamma I am getting 2. What we have to find? We have to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. So if you add them, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. So we are getting the answer as 6. Option D. Correct answer, right? Now let's come to the next one. Fifth, from hyperbola. Very rare but very easy question. Not so much effort required to solve this. A line is given and does not intersect the hyperbola, right? From the hyperbola, I can find the y value, y minus alpha x. Now let's substitute this value into the equation here. 9, 1 minus alpha x whole square equals to 9. So x square minus 9, 1 plus alpha square x square minus 2 alpha x equals to 9. So x square minus 9 alpha square x square plus 18 alpha x equals to 9. X square, if I take common, 1 minus 9 alpha square plus 18 alpha x minus 18 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, right? Quadratic in x. And it says that the line does not intersect. It means they are not intersecting. So what about no roots, right? And for no roots, d is less than 0. So simply we have in this, we have to apply d is less than 0. So what is d value? B square. So 18 square into alpha square minus 4ac. For a is 1 minus 9 alpha square and c is minus 18, so plus 18 less than 0. 118 is common, make it out. So 18 alpha square plus 4 minus 36 alpha square less than 0. Now this is 4 minus 18 alpha square. 2 is common, I think. 2 minus 9 alpha square less than 0. So 9 alpha square minus 2 greater than 0. I can write 3 alpha plus root 2 and 3 alpha minus root 2. So alpha value is how much? Minus root 2 by 3 and plus root 2 by 3. Positive I need. So this is the solution I have. So alpha will belong minus infinity to minus root 2 by 3 union root 2 by 3 to infinity. Now what is root 2 by 3? Let's calculate. Root 2 is 1.4 approximately 3 and this is 0.4 point something, right? So this is 0.4 something value approximately 4142, whatever you want. Now what are the possible values of alpha? Can alpha be 0.2? Let's look at the number line. No, I need more than 0.4 and less than minus 0.4. So 0.2 will not come, 0.3 will not come, 0.4 will not come. So which option is there? D, 0.5, right? Isn't it easy? Just comment and tell me, do you find it easy or not? I hope you are enjoying the session. Now next one, sixth one. Complex number, basically it is 9 plus 7 alpha minus 7 beta whole power 20, 9 alpha plus 7 beta minus 7 to the whole power 20, 9 beta plus 7 minus 7 alpha to the whole power 20, and 14 plus 7 alpha plus 7 beta to the power 20 is m power 10. So what is the value of m? Alpha is given this. If you remember, alpha is nothing given but omega, and beta is nothing given but omega square. Now let's put the value here. 9 plus 7 omega minus 7 omega square power is 20 plus 9 omega plus 7 omega square minus 7 power is 20. 9 omega square plus 7 minus 7 omega power is 20 plus 14 plus, now let's take 7 common. So it is omega plus omega square and whole power is 20, right? First step. Now if you know 9 power is, means 9 coefficient is 1, means nothing is multiplied with 9, but in the next bracket what is? Omega is multiplied. So first bracket I will write as it is 7 omega square power 20, and I will take omega common, so that 9 coefficient means 9 is remain single without any other things. So if I take omega common, omega 20 will come. So 9 plus, that is omega minus 7 omega square. Now you understand, pattern is making this same. Similarly, tell me what we can take common from here, omega square, but outside omega 40 will come. So 9, this will be 9 plus 7 by omega square, that is 7 omega minus 7 omega square power 20 plus 14 plus omega square is how much? Minus 1. Omega plus omega square is minus 1. So 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7, right? So I will write here 14 minus 7 and whole power is 20. Now what is common in all the three brackets? That is 9 plus 7 omega minus 7 omega square power 20 is common. Now what left? 1 plus omega 20 plus omega 40 plus 14 minus 7, 7, 7 power 20. Now let's solve this. This we can't able to solve, very high power value. Omega 20 is how much? Omega 20 is omega square and omega 40 is omega. 7 power 20, and you know 1 plus omega square is 0. So what is the answer? 7 power 20. I can write 7 square power 10. Remember, because they have given m power 10. Here the very good students, those who are the toppers also, they will make the mistake in a hurry. So don't do that, okay? Power 10 you have to make. So 7 square is how much? 49. So what is m value? M value we have as 49. So this is B option. Easy. So very good problem it is from complex number, not so much tough, right? Let's come to the next one, seventh one. It is based on NCERT, probability distribution, very simple question. So first let's find the value of K. How we can find the value of K? As you know, sigma Px is equals to 1. So let's add them, 3K, 5K, 8K and 9K plus 9K square, and it is how much? 9K square? 10k square basically, not 9k square, plus 10k square, 7 plus 2 plus 1. Let's calculate this again. 4, 5, 3, 8, 9, correct, equals to 1. So 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equals to 0. Now can we do the factor? Yes sir. 10k minus k minus 1. 10k is common, so it is k plus 1 minus k plus 1. So 10k minus 1 into k plus 1. So what are the values of k is coming? K is minus 1, which is not possible because the probability can never be negative. And the next value is k is 1 by 10. So what is k value? 1 by 10. Now what they ask? 3 to 6. 3 is not included, 6 is included. So 4, 5, 6 we have to take. Let's add them. P, 3. So what value is if we should add? P4 plus P5 plus P6. Now what are the values? Let's take a look. 3k plus 3k square. K is 1 by 10, basically 3k common, 1 plus k. K is 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 plus 1 by 10, 11 by 10. So 33 by 10, 100. And it is 0.33. So what is my answer here? Option A, 0.33. Very simple problem, not so much hard. Let's move to the next one. That is 8th. Sum of first 4 terms of AP is 6, right? Okay, S4 is 6. So what we can conclude from here? 4 by 2 is 2. 2a plus 3d is equals to 6. So 2a plus 3d is equals to 3. First equation. Second, sum of first 6 terms is 4. X6 is 4. So 6 by 2. 5d, that is 4. 2 cancel at 3. So 2a plus 5d is equals to how much? 4 by 3. Now let's subtract them. 5 minus 3, 2d, and 4 by 3 minus 3. 9 minus 5 by 6, I think, right, if I'm not wrong. Minus 5 by 6. Let's calculate a value also. Basically calculate 2a. 3 minus 3d. D value is minus 5 by 6. So 6 plus 5 by 2, 11 by 2. That is 2a. Now what they ask? Third equation. They ask for sum of first 12 terms. Very simple it is. So 12 by 2, 2a. What is a? Oh, 2a is 11 by 2. 2a is 11 by 2 plus 11. D is minus 5 by 6. So 6, 11 by 2 minus 55 by 6. LCM will be 6. 33 minus 55. That is minus 22. So what is the sum of first 12 terms? Minus 22. So option number A, right? Let's move to next one, 9th one. Matrices problem basically. So A is given to us and the determinant of this value they want to ask. So powers is very high, but let's try to solve. A power 2025 minus 3, A power 2024 plus A 2023. Now which power is common? A power 2023. So a square minus 3a plus I. So this you know that determinant gets separated when are multiplied. Now this I can write as determinant of a power 2023 and a square minus 3a plus I determinant. Now determinant of a is 10 minus 9, 1. That is how much? 1. So 1 power is anything 1. So this value is 1. This value is 1. So what we have to find basically determinant of a square minus 3a plus I. So let's find this value. Let's find a square. 2335. 2335. 2335. Now let's multiply. 4 plus 9, 13. 6 plus 15, 21. 6 plus 15, 21. 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25 is 34. This is a square. Now let's calculate 3a. 3a will be 3 to the 6, 339, 339, 35, 15. And in the last, what we have to add? So let's subtract them first. A square minus 3a. This is 7. 21 minus 9 is 12. 21 minus 9 is 12. 34 minus 15. How much it is, students? 34 minus 15. 24, 24, 19. Now we have to add I. 1001. I we have to add. So it will be 8, 12, 12, 20. Now what is its determinant basically? Isn't it easy, right? 8 into 20 is 160 minus 144 and the answer is 16. Very simple question, very very simple. I found the shift is very much easy, right? ये वाला जो shift था बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान मुझे लगा अभी तक जो पता चला है. Now 10th one, again very good looking problem, simple model. Many times we have discussed this kind of models in our classes also. So 6 integration 1 to x fx dx, 3x fx plus x cube minus 4. Then what is the value of f2 minus f3? Now basically what we should do, we should simply differentiate on both sides. So when I differentiate it, I have to use the L'Hopital rule here. So let's use that. 6 f of x and x differentiation is 1. 1 I cannot put because 1 differentiation is 0. So 3, here product rule we have to use. X differentiation 1 fx and x f dash x plus 3x square. So now 6 fx, 3 fx plus 3x f dash x plus 3x square. So this is 3 fx, 3x f dash x plus 3x square. 3 is common. So fx x f dash x plus x square, right? Now I will assume let fx as y, right? So what is f dash x? dy by dx. Now let's substitute these values here. So fx is y, x, this is dy by dx plus x square. This will this side and this will this side. So x dy by dx minus y equals to minus x square. Divide by x, dy by dx minus y by x minus x. Which form it is? Linear differential equation, right? So let's find if e power p dx means minus 1 by x dx, that is minus log x, x power minus 1. So it is how much? 1 by x. So my if is 1 by x. So what is my solution? Y into 1 by if is equals to q. What is q value here? Minus x into if is 1 by x dx. So y by x equals to minus x plus c. So y value basically is minus x square plus cx. Now in this equation, if I put x as 1, right? 6 integration 1 to 1, x as 1 I am putting. So fx is y basically, and equal to 3, x is 1, fx is y plus 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. Now if the limit is same, the integration is 0. So 3y value is 3, y value is how much? 1. So at x equals to 1, y is 1. So I have to use here x1, y also 1. So c value is coming as 2. Now what they have asked? They have asked f2 minus f3, right? So f2 means when x is 2. So what is the value of y? Minus 4 plus 2 to the 4, that is 0. At x equals to 3, y value minus 9 plus 2 3 is 6 minus 3. They ask for f2 minus f3, that is 0 plus 3. So what is my answer? My answer is 3, right? So these all are the problems of 22nd Jan shift 2020, 22nd Jan 2026 morning shift, right? Now I hope you like these questions, and they're very easy to solve. 10 questions means, dear friends, 10 questions means 40 plus marks you can easily get in this paper, and this paper is seems to be very much easy according to me. So very good chances that students have secured here 18 to 19 problems easily. Means their score in this shift should be 70 plus in mathematics, if I say, right? So this is all from my side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to show your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. We'll meet soon in the next solving pattern, right? Thank you so much.